Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of speaking with Debbie Sherwood. Debbie is running for Town Council in the town of Orangeville. Thank you very much for being here today, Debbie.
Thank you, Bradley, for this opportunity to tell the citizens about me. Hello, my name is Debbie Sherwood, and I'm running for the position of councillor for the town of Orangeville. I have lived in Orangeville for 39 years. I have 3 grown adult children and 4 grandchildren, all born and raised in Orangeville. I am recently retired, having worked for 35 years for municipal government in a financial role as a certified municipal tax professional. I continue to work part-time at Seneca College, mentoring and marking the online municipal tax administration program for municipal employees. I have been a member of OMTRA, the Ontario Municipal Tax Revenue Association, since 1987, and I received my certification in 1999. I have a certificate in Financial Accounting 1 and 2 from Georgetown College, and I have strong knowledge in municipal tax legislation, budgeting, finance, and tax collection. I have attended and participated in many council meetings, and I know how the role works. I feel with this expertise will provide me with the qualifications required to fulfill the position of town councillor. I'm running for 3 reasons: fiscal responsibility to make sound financial decisions with your tax dollars and only approve needs and not wants; transparency and respect to bring back integrity to the council as a whole and work collaboratively with my fellow council members, staff, neighboring municipalities, and you, the taxpayer. And finally, accountability. I will remain accountable for my actions and decisions to you, the Orangeville taxpayers.
Thank you very much for being here today, Debbie. We really appreciate your time.
Thank you.
If you'd like to see more of what Debbie has to say, please do take a look at the links below, and thank you for watching.